这么 and 那么。这么
so much, or this much, or how much, or this way, or like this.
那么
like that, or in that way, or so, or so very much, or about, or in that case. Emphasize the degree of an adjective, to increase the extent of an adjective. For example, he is so tall, or the food is so good.
Subject plus 那么 or 这么 plus adjective. 这么
plus adjective is equal to this plus adjective referring to something close by.
那么
plus adjective
is equal to that plus adjective
referring to something that is not close by.
你怎么这么漂亮？
How can you be so beautiful?
他那么高，
He is so tall.
雨这么大，明天再去吧。
The rain is so heavy. How about we go tomorrow?
你那么聪明，一定能猜到。
So smart, you can definitely guess it.
今天怎么这么冷？
Why is it so cold today?
老板那么忙，肯定没时间。
The boss is so busy. He definitely won't have time for this.